Hello, my dear students. A very warm welcome to our platform of National IAS. Today, we are going to start with a new topic, that is statistics and averages. My dear students, please confirm if I am clearly audible and visible, and then we will proceed with our lecture. Is it clear? I think as far as I am concerned and I can see my technical details, whatever are displayed on the screen, yeah, I am perfectly audible and visible. So let us start our lecture. Today we are going to see statistics and average. So please remember, in statistics there are three major parameters, that is mean, mode and median. Please remember mean, mode and median. If you will talk about statistics, please remember the questions from pure statistics have been very rare and extremely less, but the topic which seeks too much attention is our mean or average. So please remember mean or average. That is why I have clubbed these two topics, because obviously average in other words is called mean. Understood? Okay, now let us talk about questions which we are going to discuss. This has been taken from 2019. The average marks of 100 students are given as 40, given to be 40. It was later on found that marks of one students were 53, which was misread as 83. Please remember the corrected mean marks are, what are the corrected mean marks? So please remember that is one question. Again, 2019 related question. A family has two children along with their parents. The average weights of the children and their mother is 50 kg. Please remember here average weight. Understood? The average weight of children and their father is 52 kg. If the weight of father is 60 kg, then what is the weight of mother? Simple question, but yeah, definitely we have to look at it. The third question is from 2020. The average score of a batsman after his 50th inning was 46.4. After 60th inning, his average score increased by 2.6. What was his average score in the last 10 innings? So we will try to solve all these questions. Please remember. But as usual, before solving these questions, I will take you through all the formulas. So all of you understand what is average? My dear students, please remember average is nothing but arithmetic mean of the given data. Please remember, in this what we do, average can also be represented as x bar, hai na? So please remember, in this what we will do, summation of all the observations divided by number of observations. Understood? What is the mean or average? It is nothing but summation of all the observations divided by number of observations. So please remember, this is extremely important. Understood? The sum of given observations divided by number of observations is called your average or mean. Clear? Okay. Now my dear students, average of a given data is always less than the greatest observation and greater than the smaller observation. For example, if you see, these are few numbers 5, 6, 8, 9. If you will try to find average, the average will be 7. Average will be 7. You can see that 7 will always be between the least number and the highest number. So it will be always greater than least number, but always lesser than higher number. So this is one of the very important takeaway or maybe inference which you can draw. Apart from that, if observations are equal, all the observations are equal, in that case also the average will also be the same. Please remember, for example, 4, 4, 4. In this case, observation, that is mean will also be 4. If 0 is one of the observation of the given data, in that case what you should do while calculating, you all understand that average is equal to sum of all observations, right, divided by number of observations. So my dear students, please remember, if 0 has been given, sum won't be impacted. This sum will not be impacted because plus 0 is there, right? But in number of observation there will be plus 1. Please remember, for example, if you have to find average of 0, 8 and 10, In that case, average will be 6, not 9. Why? Because the total number of observations are 3, and sum of observation is 0 plus 8 plus 10 divided by 3, that is equal to 6. Understood? So 0 is extremely important, and please remember, never ever get carried away that 0 is there, so discard it. No, never do it. Is it clear? Then if all the numbers gets increased by a, please remember, if all the numbers which have been given to you will be increased by a, then in that case the average must also be increased by a. Understood? For example, here there is 4, 6, 2, 5, 7. Let us say this is my number, right? Understood? So its average will be how much? Average will be 24 by 5, right? So average will be how much? Anyone? 4.8, right? 4.8. Is it clear? So please remember, average, if I increase each and every number by 2, let us say each and every number by 2, please remember, in every number I am adding 2. Understood? Plus 2. That means this will become 6, this will become 8, this will become 4, this will become 7, this will become 9. In that case, the average, its average will also become 4.8 plus 2, that is equal to 6.8. You can calculate it and try to find out. If all the numbers gets decreased by a, then the same thing will happen with the average. It will also get decreased by a. If all the numbers are multiplied by a, then the average is also multiplied by a. And same applies for division. If all the numbers are divided by a, then the average will also be divided by a. I hope this is extremely clear. Now my dear students, this is again very important thing. Suppose in AP, if the first and last terms are known, in that case the average, please have formula for average of the series, right? Average of the series will be equal to first term plus last term divided by 2. Why is it happening? Because you know that Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket a plus an. Remember the AP related questions I have taught, where there I also talked about formula. So please remember, summation of all the observation will be this much, and Sn divided by n, number of observation, will be our average, right? So please remember, from there we have got it, a plus an divided by 2 will be the average of AP. Understood? If the first and last terms are known. Then if you will talk about first n natural number, so their average will be n plus 1 divided by 2. First n consecutive even number, in that case average will be n plus 1. So you can just take this table for reference, because that will be helpful for you. Understood? Please try to have a look on it. Please remember, please try to have a look on it. Understood? Okay. Another formula which I wanted to discuss was square of first n natural numbers. If you will add these squares, Sn, right? In this case it is always n plus 1, bracket mein 2n plus 1 divided by 6. So average will be divided by n. So n is gone. Understood? Is it clear to everyone? Same way, if you will talk about cube of first n natural numbers, right? So if you will try to find out sum of cubes of first n natural numbers, it is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square. So obviously, if you will divide it by n, you will get this one. So this is formula for average. So please make sure you will never get, and you should never ever get confused. I still remember in one class, when I was solving something or doing something, suddenly I got confused, and then I started using these formulas instead of these, right? So what happened? I goofed up in the answer. Please don't ever do it. Now my dear students, there are three terms which I wanted to explain: mean, mode and median. So please remember, mean we have understood, it is nothing but average, right? All three of these are central tendencies. Please remember, all of three of these are central tendencies. Clear? What is the mode? Mode is the observation with highest repetition slash frequency. Please remember, there should be highest repetition or frequency. That number will be called mode. And what is the median? It is if chronologically arranged. the central number or the mid value number है ना, central number will be will be median, for example. Let me give you an example. Let us take an example of random numbers. I am writing 1 2 5 6 4 3 2 9 7 5 5 8 1, right? Can we write it something like this, right? So rather than this 5, can I, yes, let us go ahead with that, है ना? Or maybe we can reduce some numbers. Let me erase some random numbers, right, from in between. Okay, so that calculation will become easy and it will be easier to deal with, right? So yeah, these numbers have been deleted. Now my dear students, if you look carefully, how many ones are there? Only one, right? So one is there, right? How many twos are there? If you look carefully, 1 2, right? So two twos are there. Then what about 3? Is there any 3? Obviously no. 4, no. 5, how many 5s are there? 1 2 3. So 3 5s are there, right? And then 6, yes, definitely 6 is there. 1, 7 is not there, 8 is there, right? And 9 is there. Understood this thing? So my dear students, which digit has highest frequency? If you will look carefully, 5 has highest frequency. It has appeared 3 times. So that is why this is mode. Which is mode? Mode is 5. Understood? Now my dear students, what I will do, I will arrange this in increasing order, that is ascending order. So it will become 1 2 2, then 5 5 5, then there will be 6 8 9. Understood? Now my dear students, how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So please remember, whenever the total number of digits is odd, total number of observations is odd, in that case median place will be equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. Understood? And if it is even, please remember, if it is even, in that case median place will be equal to n divided by 2 plus 1. Sorry, wait, not like this. I will write it below so that it is clearly visible, right? Otherwise what will happen, everything will go behind me and it will be gone. Okay, yeah. So suppose the total number of observations is even. Total number of observation is even. Suppose this is even, right? In that case what will happen, median will be equal to average of n by 2th place digit and n by 2 plus 1th place digit. Is it clear? So I will showcase you over here what is happening here. Total digits are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 digits are written over here. Sorry, wait. Yeah. So my dear students, it is odd, right? 9 is odd, correct? So my dear students, what I will do, since 9 is odd, I will take this up, n plus 1 divided by 2. So this will become 9 plus 1 divided by 2, that is equal to 10 by 2, that is equal to 5. So my dear students, 5th digit we have to pick up, 1 2 3 4 5. So this digit we have to pick up, this will be median. So luckily this is luckily, hai na? So luckily median is also equal to 5. Understood this thing? Is it clear to everyone? Hai na? Now my dear students, let us talk about mode. So you know that we will have to add all of these. So we have to add, this will become 5 plus 5 10 15 6 15 plus 5 20, and then from 20 how much will it be? 20 plus 14, so that will become 34 or maybe 39. We can do 39, and then 45 plus 8 will become 53. 53 divided by 9, that will give you the average or mean. Is it clear? Mean or average. I hope this is extremely clear. There is no doubt, right? So this kind of simple question can be asked, because till now no difficult question has been asked from this arena, and this arena is quite untouched by UPSC. But please never ever think that nowhere the question is not even probable. because you never know which portion UPSC will pick up and then suddenly start giving it weightage. Understood this thing? Now my dear students, there is another formula which you have to mug up and it should never ever slip your mind. The formula is relation between median, mode and mean. That formula says that 3 times median is equal to mode plus 2 times mean. Please remember, 3 times median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. So my dear students, the graphical distribution can be of 3 types. Please remember, negatively skewed, positively skewed or symmetrical distribution, right? There can be 3 types of distribution or graphs, right? Please remember, in each of them, mean, mode, median shows a certain pattern. So I am expecting a theoretical question on this part. Understood? Even over here, there is a high chance that theoretical question will come. Which of the following relation holds true? Something like that. Understood? So please make sure that you never ever do wrong in at least theoretical question, and you remember all these. And please also note the sequence, that mean, median and mode. Then mean, median and mode. Understood? The only thing is which is changing is nothing but this thing, right? The symbol. Is it clear? Mean, median, mode. So please try to remember this like that. Understood? Is it clear? Okay, so yeah, let us move ahead, my dear students. Now, let us go back towards the questions which we have to solve. So in 2019, this question said that average marks of 100 students is 40, right? What was later on found out, that one student earned 53 marks, had 53 marks, which was read as 83 marks, right? So my dear students, if 40 students, average marks of 100 students is 80. So what is the total marks they have got? Sum of all the marks will be divided by 100 is equal to 40. This implies that summation of all marks will be equal to 40 into 100, that is 4000. Understood this thing? Now my dear students, what is happening? 53 was read, right? 83. The actual marks were 53 and we did it 83. So what we should do? Summation of marks minus 83 plus 53, right? To get the correct summation. So 4000 minus 83 plus 53, right? So please remember, this is the new actual correct marks. If you will try to solve this, you will realize that this is 30. So this is becoming 3970. So corrected mean marks are divided by 100. 3970. Summation has changed. New summation, right? New marks summation 3970 divided by 100. So the correct average will be now B, 39.7. Understood this thing? Now my dear students, a family has 2 children along with their parents. The average of the weight of the children and mother is 50 kg. So mother plus 2C is equal to 50 kg. Let us presume that. Achha. Another thing is, here divided by 3 will be there. Why? Because obviously you understand that this is m plus 2C. So 50 kg is their average, right? So m plus 2C will become 150 kg, right? Apply the same logic to father plus 2 children. Their average was 52. So 52 into 3. How much will it be? 52 into 3. My dear students, 52 into 3 will be equal to 106 kg, right? So wait, 156 kg, right? So please remember, one thing we can realize, that difference between weight of mother and father is 6 kg. Understood? So now if the weight of father is 60 kg, let us say weight of father is 60 kg, then what is the weight of mother, my dear students? You know that children's weight will be constant. If you want, you can subtract it. You will get that father minus mother will be nothing but 6 kg, right? So if father's weight is 60 kg, then mother's weight will be 54 kg. If you want to go by the formula or do a bit longer process also, you cannot understand how this happened. In that case, what you can do, f plus 2c. So f is 60 plus 2c is equal to 156. Now you can find the weight of children and then find the weight of mother. Understood? Understood this thing? Okay, now the next question is, the average score of a batsman after his 50th inning was 46.4 was the average score, right? X bar after 50. Understood? Now, after 60 innings, he scored increased by 2.6. That means 47 and then 49. Understood? So 60 matches average was 49, right? So what was his average score in the last 10 match? My dear students, this question is again pretty much forward. Summation of xi, if I will try to find out, it will be 46.4 into 50. So 464 into 5 we can do, into 5. This will be 20, then 32. So 2, then 3 will come, and 23. 2320, right? And here what will happen? Summation of xi after 60 matches, right? Here up to 50 matches, right? So it will be 49 into 60. So that will become 49 into 6. I will add a 0 later on. So 5 is the 54 and 24 to 2940, right? My dear students, what is the difference in the what was the run scored in the last 10 matches? You can find from here 2940 minus 2320, right? Is it clear to everyone? So this will be 2, this will be 60. So 620 runs were scored, please remember, in last 10 matches. And to find the average, what you have to do, 620 divided by 10. Please remember that will be C. Understood this thing? Is it clear to everyone? So yes, my dear students, with that our practice questions are over. But I will give you 2 assignment questions. Please take screenshot of this question first. The average age of teacher and 3 students is 20 years. If all 3 students are of the same age and the difference between the age of teacher and each student is 20 years, then what is the age of teacher? So you have to tell me. You can send me your answers at this WhatsApp number, or else you can also join Telegram group at the rate UPSC with DP. Understood? So yes, my dear students, with that I end this session. Oh sorry, wait, second question is also there. I am extremely sorry. Second question is also there. Please take the screenshot of this question as well. There are 2 classes, A and B, having 25 and 30 students respectively. In class A, highest score is 21 and the lowest score is 17, right? In class B, the highest score is 730 and lowest score is 22. 4 students are shifted from class A to B. Now what will happen? Understood? Is it clear? Please try to find out. This is very good question and very analytical question which was asked in 2021. Clear? So yes, my dear students, now I end the session. Thank you for listening to me, and then please like, share and subscribe if you have liked the lecture or earned some value from it. Also, if there is any query, doubt or feedback, please comment in the comment section, because that boosts our morale. So yes, my dear students, with that I end this session. Thank you and have a great day ahead.